Hello everyone. So in this video I'll be explaining how you can create a glue connection and submit all your analytical workflows as a glue job. So first let's go to the administration section. Click on configurations. Click on connection and then make sure that your glue connection has been enabled. Save the configuration and then reload the page. This may take a couple of seconds. Go to administration again. Click on global connections and now add a connection for all. You can also add a connection for a specific group if you want. Choose the compute connection and then choose glue over here. Here you can give glue connection details. Sample glue connection. Click on next. Here we will be providing the glue app file that is going to be executed by the SparkFlows file server. So this is one single file, a Scala file that is going to be provided once you buy this product. Make sure that this particular path is accessible by your Spark server. Also, you need to mention the role that is being used. This role must have access to the S3 and also to the EC2 server where this particular file server is running. You need to provide the main class. You can have some arguments. This is going to be used for storing the logs. And also the postback URL. Because we are using the latest Spark, which is 3.x version, so we will be using 3.0 version of the glue. Currently only one language is supported, which is Scala. We also need to provide the path of the FireSpark jar, and this particular jar comes in by default in the tar.gz file. So you need to upload it to a specific S3 bucket. Now you also need to provide the JSON directory where all the workflow JSON are saved. Glue connection also requires the name of the glue connection that is going to be used, and you can also provide the region. You also need to provide the workflow files directory, which is optional, and that's it. Now you can save the connection. So once you have saved the connection, you can go to your workflow and then choose the connection. In this case, this is going to be sample glue connection. Click on the workflow that you want to execute. And now you can execute the workflow, and this particular workflow is going to be executed as a glue job. So hope this particular video helped you how to create a glue connection and utilize it for submitting as a glue job in your file server. Thanks.